Hello everyone. So this is video for the fresher or any student wanted to learn Java and DSA for interest or for job. So here I will provide resource which actually sorry it's not I will provide it, so you have to buy it. So here I will tell you the books and the source where I have studied about the Java and Java programming languages and DSA other things. So let's get started. So this is the book named as Code Java, an integrated approach. Includes all version up to Java 8, written by Dr. R. Nageshwar Rao. Yes, this book actually I feel is very good because it's contain every important chapters including from basics basics array and then going to collection framework, uh, collection and also exception handling, and coming to Java database connectivity, stream API, and time. So this is the content. You can see table of content. Also the first chapter is all about networks. Java is also used in network mainly because of the feature of it's a platform independent, and yes, networks require a program which runs on every devices. So yes, this let's move to chapter. I have studied this book around 50%, not all, including like generic types. I haven't studied applets, servlets, and multi-threading. 1 minute. There is one advanced chapter called threads. It's actually important, but as a fresher you will not mainly focusing on this concept. Yes, you can use it. And let me show the whole picture. Now coming to next book, it's a DSA book, data structures and algorithm made easy in Java. Career Monk, okay, written by the Narsimha Karmanchi, Amtech IIT Bombay, founder of Career Monk. Yes, I have not fully studied, but yes, I found this helpful, and also there is written code. So yes, they have provided the code also. Sometimes it's actually look like not visible, but coming to the content, it actually provides value. It's a BFS, breadth for search, DFS and BFS, topological sort. Completely explains every topic and also contains problems and the solution, how you can solve it, and the time complexity. This is the inserting string internal research history. Yes, see how it's look. Introduction and variable data types, notations, So I will provide the link of these books. You can get it from Amazon. And now I will show the tutorials where I have studied. Okay, I have studied Java by this playlist. It's a playlist created by Code with Harry, and also there is other creators who have created like Java. By the way, this guy is actually I prefer because its video actually short and crisp and also contains whole concepts. This is 1 years old. I guess this video is quite older than that guy. Let's see it. So it's a 5 years old. So yes, I have preferred these tutorials when I was like studying Java programming, and now I will show the DSA from where I have studied. So guys, actually I wasn't able to find the video from where I have studied DSA, but it was the Simply Learn course where the DSA was completed in 10 or 15 hours. I wasn't able to actually find. So you can see these videos and you can prefer any one of these. Mm, there is lots of video. I actually prefer the Simply Learn, and it was good for me, and I have studied all those concepts in one video. So from these sources I have used to learn Java, and right now I am just working on project, like trying to build some basic project, and also my own SaaS is a dream to build, and I have created one project. I wanted to like live it, and I will show you in this YouTube channel. So bye guys, and hope you find this video useful, and if you need any help you can comment. So bye.